Hello. Today I would like to make a short little video to show you some of the functions that I use quite a bit with Word. Now, most people have something that looks like this little W, and if you click on that, that will open up a Word document for you. And I would like to begin by showing you that this is how you start a new blank document. You just click on this and you'll have a big white open page here, or you can go down to File and Open, either way. Now this is the program that you use just to type up any type of a letter or whatever, but one thing that I would like to show you that I use all the time is this tables. The tables is really a handy thing to have for putting a lot of information on one page. So you just click here on this insert and then go over to table, and then you can decide here how many columns and how many rows you'd like to have, and just click on OK here. And then there's quite a few things that you can put in these different cells, and you have some options as far as what to do with those cells. So if you go back here under tables, you can go to something called auto fit, and you can distribute the rows evenly, the columns evenly, or auto fit to the window or whatever. And this is another function that I use a lot. I will put things into tables so I can sort them, and then it will sort my information alphabetically. Now I'd like to show you a few of these things that I have been using. This is an example of a tables that I've used with my Spanish classes. And this is just a table, and then I inserted some clip art into it. Now over here I'm going to scroll down a little bit and show you that this is another table that I've inserted with Spanish and the corresponding English. I use it quite a bit. Now here is another example. This is showing you another use of tables where I have embedded tables into a larger table. And again, this makes it real easy for me to put in a lot of information into a pretty small space. So another thing that I would like to show you right now with this is how to insert clip art. If you go here to insert, you go over to picture, you go into clip art, and what will happen is over on this side, another drop down box will open up, and right here you can just type in whatever you want. It had boy from my last time, but if I type in girl and I click go, now I have quite a bit of clip art in here right now, but if you don't, then you can go down here and click, and this will open up the Office version, and then you can look for clip art online. But if you just click here, you can see that it goes right into the table. And if I click on this cell and I click on another clip art, now this is big, so it's too big, so I just click on it, and then that will let me resize that clip art. And so that is how I make a lot of my tables. So hopefully you find this to be quite useful. Tables in a simple Word document. One other thing I wanted to show you quickly was this idea again under formatting and themes. Now if I want to just add a little background color to my document, it's a very simple thing to do. I just click right there, then go down here and put OK, and you can see now I have that background, which is super easy to change and might be quite helpful. So that is about all that I wanted to show you today, working with a simple document. Thank you.